Hey everybody, welcome to Song of the Week. This one's kind of exciting. This one is called Inspector Gadget, and it's a remix. Really what it is it's a theme and variation. So if you open that and you go into the chopped slicing, you're gonna see that there is a theme. You learn the theme and then you learn variation 1, then variation 2, then variation 3, and then there's just a coda. So let me play the song for you and then see if you can pick out where the variations are. So that was a fun song. I want to talk to you really quickly about that last variation because it goes so fast. And inside of all those notes, you have to hear the melody. Da, 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 da. So it goes. Which is super, super hard. So you have to accent the notes to bring out the melody. So the first one's loud, then soft, soft, and then loud. Da, 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 da. So you can hear how that comes out. If you can't get that fourth variation, that last one there, I guess it's variation 3, then you can always just skip the variation 3 and just do number 1. If you can't get number 2, you can actually skip that one too, and you can just kind of play the parts of the song that you can play. So your variation, the theme first, and maybe put in a variation 1, and then you can go right to the coda at the end. So anyway, get into that song and see if you like it. It's a lot of fun, even though variation 3 and 4 are kind of challenging.